What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video we will be unboxing the Cover Alive case for the Realme GT Master Edition. So this is a transparent kind of a bumper TPU grip case. It's a kind of a plastic case that has a good grips, and it looks like a bumper case. So let's quickly go ahead and do the unboxing. So the price of the case is 157 rupees and additional 40 rupees for the delivery charges. So it was around 197 rupees for this case, but easily you can get this case for 100 rupees in the local market. As you can see, it says Realme GT Master Edition. Pretty simple packing, nothing fancy here, and also this is a small foam inside to protect the case during the transit, and this is a small leaflet. So this is how the overall case looks like. It's a bit on the flimsier side. You can see we have the appropriate cutout, and also there is a protective plastic film to protect the back from scratches. So make sure you remove this before you start using the case. It's really easy to remove this. You just need to peel it from the back and it will come out like this. So this case has a pretty good grip, and also it's a good protective case. I must say for 200 rupees it's a pretty good deal. As you can see, it's a bit flexible, not as rigid as the one that we get with the Ringke or Spigen. So currently I'm using this case that came in the box, which is also good and light, but then there is no protection and grip with that cover. So that is the reason I bought this one. As you can see, it looks pretty good, and make sure you clean the case and the phone before putting the phone inside the case. You can see we have a raised lip that will help to protect the camera lenses, and on the bottom we have the appropriate cutout for the 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, type C port and speaker as well, so no issues there. On the right hand side we have the raised button for locking and unlocking the device. So I will say it's a bit on the tighter side, but nothing to worry about. Similar goes on the left side for the volume rocker keys. With the time you use the case, it will get softened, and it's a really a nice case. Also, let me show you the camera, that there is no hindrance of the cover while using the ultra wide angle camera. So once again, if you want to buy this case, the link is in the description below. And also on all the four corners, as you can see, we have the air cushioning technology. So in case if you drop your phone from the corners or on the corners, you won't get an impact on the phone. So this is very nice. So if you like the video, do rate the video up, comment down in the comment section, and do subscribe, and thank you for watching.